like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Oh, hi Inday Mixie. Okay, I go to your house, Dai. I go to your channel. Miguel shout out. Miguel shout out. Thank you, Dai. Why you reported me? I didn't do anything. I'm just doing a live. I'm doing a green screen live. I don't know why there are some people that will report just a green screen live. Sally Arwizwasi, thank you for watching live. I'm not doing anything. Don't report. I'm just doing a green screen live. Okay, Dimexi. I go to your channel right now. I don't know about you, Mr. Two, but you say reported with a big caps lock. I don't know what did I do wrong. I'm just doing a green screen live, duh. Okay, Dimexi, I go to your house. Okay, Dai, I going to your house. Ramen food trip tayo. Oh, I'm done with that. How about this one? Yeah, I think I'm almost updated to your to your videos, Dimixi. I just go to your live. I'm just gonna replay it. Thank you for watching live, guys. Good evening, Dark. Good evening, 5,000 viewers. 6,000, 6 million views. Good morning, good evening, good evening. Good evening po, host. Said hi, Roman Nanalsal. Hindi ka po ba live? No, wala akong, mayroon akong TikTok but hindi ako nagla-live doon kasi andito lang ako sa sa YouTube at saka sa Facebook. Hindi mixi, nag-ano ako sa mo dahil nag-replay ako dahil. I-replay ko lang ito mamaya doon sa laptop ko. Thank you. I'm gonna do green screen later, guys. Green screen because busy. Need to do something at home. Thank you, sis. Antique Japan channel. Wow, 6,000 views. Thank you for watching live. Thank you, Roman Nanalsal. Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna do green screen later, guys. This one, in the mixie. Hi, Sanjay. Mega love shout out Sanjay Rawat Senior. SA Edit Best. Thank you for watching, guys. Please thumbs up my live. I got 3,000 viewers right now. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. In the mixie, I go to the laptop for your what you call this I go to Sanjay Rawat first. I go to your channel, Sanjay. Thank you for watching live. I got 3,000 viewers. Please like the live. Thank you. Thank you for the 4 thumbs up. Thanks, everyone. Okay, Sanjay, I go to your channel and I will engage some of your videos. Okay, Clash of Clan, my best attacks. Wow, 2.6K views. This one, Sanjay. Oh, I'm done with this. Hold on, let's see the other one. Best defense. I'm done that one too. How about maybe I just go to your live. I'll just go this 4 hours 18 seconds. I will just do the replay. Hi, Anima. Wow, make love shout out, everyone. Make love shout out. I'm gonna do green screen later. Thank you for watching, guys. Please thumbs up. Hey, Sanjay, I'm doing replay for your live. Thank you for watching, guys. Oh wow, got 8,000 viewers. Hello, hello. Make a live shout out. I do green screen later, guys. Probably show my face 30 minutes or something, and engaging with some of my the commenters over there. I will engage. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Sanjay, I'm still replaying you, and then Mixi, Mixi Pinay, I will replay your previous live. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for 4,000 viewers right now. Thank you everyone. I do green screen anyway later, so no more. You cannot see me because if I do green screen, then that's the one the back. Mega love shout out 8,000 viewers. Thank you, thank you. Wow, Abol Fazi, number one. You're my number one. Can you please thumbs up? And if you like, you can subscribe. I got a lot of videos so that I can make money. So that I can make money. No, thank you, whatever it is. I just want to do YouTube. Older ladies do YouTube. Senior ladies do YouTube. Thank you, Mega love shout out to everyone there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sanjay, I'm still doing your replay. 7,000 viewers. Thank you, everyone. Hold on, let me see. I think I did not even do that. Wow, 11. I got 11 viewers. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. I think I forgot something. Hold on, let me. 11 viewers. Thank you. I love you all. Oh, Thank you everyone for watching the live. Makes my day. Ah, see? Oh, okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Oh wow, I got 10. Oh, Marianne Conjo. Thank you. I'm an old lady. I'm a senior citizen old lady, guys. Thank you for watching live. See, that's my green screen. That's my background at the back. I said, oh wow, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh wow. Wow, we're friends. Some of the words I don't understand, but anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I thought I can just show up for a little bit for like 5 or 10 minutes so that I can make a video out of it also. But hey, here you are making my day. That's why I stayed for a little bit longer in my live because I'm gonna do green screen later because I'm working. I'm working at home and this YT thing is just part time or just you're not busy in your life, so might as well do something. I don't know what Stuba is. But anyway, thank you, Marianne Conjo, Mia Alexa, Imban Balushpan. Please subscribe me. Thank you, 5,000 viewers. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, I'm doing green screen later. If if I don't have that much viewers, thank you, Marianne Conjo. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Marianne. If I don't have that much viewers, then I'm just gonna put this to green screen. Uh, hey, Jadida Matui. Mega love shout out. Shout out everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, I got 6,000 viewers right now. I love it. At least I have some views, then I can make um, um, my YouTube channel, you know, um, making money, I guess. Thank you. Please subscribe if you want. Thanks. 11 thumbs up. Please thumbs up my live, guys. Thank you for watching. Jidida Motui. Thank you, Marianne. Appreciate it. 5,000 viewers. Wow, I got 108 views. I'm watching in my laptop. 7,000 viewers. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Jidida Mutui, I look beautiful. I old. I'm old. I'm old already. Oh, Karam. Okay, Karam. Thank you for watching, Karam. Okay, I'm going to your channel right now, Karam, in my laptop because the other phone I'm engaging with Sanjay. Thank you, everyone. I'm replaying your in my laptop, Karam. Thank you so much, Karam Lakshmi. Good evening, sis Karam Lakshmi. You know what, Karam? Sometimes your live is not going to my news feed. That's why I cannot go to your but I will engage with you. I got 5,000 viewers right now. Thank you, sis. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. I got 6,000 viewers. Thank you. Hey, Mary Ann, are you doing monetization? Let me see. Oh, you got 19 subscribers. Okay, I'm gonna subscribe you, okay? I'm gonna say today is Easter. It's fun I did. Okay. I'm subscribing you, Mary Ann. You cannot see my comment because you turn off your comment in your you have a one video. Yeah, you only have one video. I'm your subscriber already, Marianne. Thank you. Wow, 8,000 viewers. Welcome again and again. Jidida Motui, okay, let me see. Are you monetizing, Jidida? Let me see. Oh, you got 5 videos. Okay, thank you. Let me see. Let me subscribe you, Jidida. I will add a comment so that you know that I subscribe you. Okay, new friend here. You can just look in your first in your latest video. Okay. Thank you, Jadida. Thank you for watching. Okay, you guys subscribe each other. You guys subscribe each other over there and have fun in your life. I don't know about you guys over there. What time is it? But good evening, good morning, good good noon, everyone. Okay, you guys subscribe each other over there. Okay, sis Karam, I will put your I will pin you Karam, sis Karam. Okay. Okay. Make a live shout out everyone. Shout out. King Baru. Hello, hi. Oh, I'm from United States. It's morning over here right now, 8:44. Wednesday morning. Blini, hi. Please like and thumbs up my live. And if you want, you can subscribe me. Thank you so much. Thank you. I thought that I'm just gonna do the green screen, but you guys a lot of viewers. That's why okay, I'm gonna show my face, my old face, a little bit. Blini, hi. I said thank you, Blini. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, sis, I'm chanting. Thank you so much. Okay, I go to your. Let me see. I'm still watching sis Karam's previous live. Okay. And the 15th Tamsak sis Karam. Okay, sis, I'm chanting. Thank you for watching. Okay, let me go to your channel. Thank you, 9,000 viewers. I thought that I don't have viewers today. That's why I said, okay, just gonna do green screen. But anyway, I have viewers. That's why I'm just gonna stay a little bit. Sis, I'm chanting. I'm gonna do the Happy 1st of July live part 1 buko pie slicing. Hashtag buko pie, hashtag slicing, okay? I'm gonna be the 26 thumbs up. Thank you, Sanjay. I appreciate it. Thank you, Sanjay. Okay, I replaying your live, sis. I'm chanting. You're welcome. You're welcome, sis Karam. Thank you. Please subscribe if you can. and thumbs up my life. Me? Oh, Oblin, I'm from the United States, from Arkansas. So it's morning over here. So that's why I said good morning, good evening, good noon, good afternoon. Thank you for watching, guys. Okay, let me do a. Thank you, Sis Karam. Thank you, 6,000 viewers. Thank you so much.